Friends, in the scorching desert, a bird and its little child decided to build a small house on their own. The big bird came from a long way away and brought its child with great difficulty. The next day, they worked hard to build a beautiful house, a home built on love and hope. But one day a strong storm came. The sky darkened with thunder and the wind roared. And in an instant, their beloved house flew away. But the bird and its child did not stop. They looked at the sky and said, "We will build it again." Even then, the bird is still crying.